Welcome to Law Tech Daily, the podcast that keeps you informed on the latest happenings in the legal tech world. Join us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday as we explore the cutting-edge advancements and breaking news in the industry. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. In today's episode, we'll cover the continued discussions on AI deployment in the legal tech industry, adoption of AI by firms and their focus on diversity, equity, inclusion, and environmental initiatives, lawyers' eagerness to use AI without fully understanding its capabilities, and mid-level big law associates' dissatisfaction with their firm's poor technology. Key discussions around the deployment of AI in the legal sector were held at the International Legal Technology Association's 2023 convention, highlighting the importance of careful implementation to ensure accuracy, security, and confidentiality. AI capabilities are transforming the services provided by various firms. Elite recently introduced a generative AI time entry feature, utilizing Microsoft's machine learning capabilities to simplify time recording and improve accuracy. Legal tech company Disco unveiled Cecilia, an AI solution that utilizes large language models for e-discovery and legal review processes. Highly advanced technology capabilities demonstrated by firms such as O'Melveny & Myers, McDermott Will & Emery, and Morgan Lewis received accolades. The legal industry is actively embracing AI and data-centric technologies, as evidenced by ILTACON, and a survey showing that 43% of lawyers are either using or planning to use generative AI. Law firms are not only prioritizing technological transformations, but also placing significant emphasis on diversity, equity, inclusion, DEI, and environmental social governance, ESG, initiatives. The EU's Digital Services Act, DSA, of 2022, which holds companies accountable for content dissemination, indicates a trend towards regulation and self-governance in digital spaces. Despite the potential of AI, the legal industry is proceeding cautiously, recognizing the need to maintain accuracy, security, and confidentiality when handling sensitive information. While law firms face criticism for outdated technology and inefficient systems, the shift towards digital transformation has become a central issue in the sector. Firms are particularly focused on achieving efficient operations and enhancing client interactions to remain competitive. While technology upgrades are acknowledged as necessary, firms also understand the importance of a meticulous approach to maintain a balance between technological advancement and professional obligations. The adoption of AI in the legal domain, despite concerns around self-governance, demonstrates its potential for disrupting and improving processes, tasks, and decision-making in the industry. The sector's response to this shift, considering ongoing debates regarding AI ethics, data protection, and cybersecurity, will be intriguing to observe. Digging deeper into our first key story, the ILTA 2023 shed light on a significant disparity between lawyers' expectations of generative AI and its actual capabilities. While the potential for AI to revolutionize the legal profession is promising, the current hype surrounding it tends to exaggerate its readiness to deliver. This situation puts tech-savvy lawyers in a challenging position, as they find themselves caught between the skepticism of their more traditional colleagues and the overly optimistic expectations of senior leaders. It is crucial to avoid trivializing AI by treating it as a superficial addition to the legal landscape. Instead, AI has the potential to greatly enhance critical legal tasks if implemented correctly. To bridge the gap between skeptics and enthusiasts, it is advisable to place trust in tech experts who possess a deep understanding of the current limitations and potential use cases of AI within the practice of law. By consulting with these experts, lawyers can gain a more balanced perspective on AI's capabilities, allowing them to make informed decisions about how best to incorporate this technology into their work. Ultimately, this will lead to a more purposeful and effective integration of AI into the legal profession, enabling lawyers to maximize its benefits while minimizing any potential pitfalls. Moving to our other key story, The mid-level survey conducted by the American Lawyer has revealed a significant level of dissatisfaction among associates in regards to their respective firms' technological capabilities. Despite the substantial profits generated by these firms, many associates are frustrated with the subpar state of their technological infrastructure. Complaints range from slow computers to inefficient document management systems. Only 62% of respondents reported receiving technology training, marking a decline from the previous year's figure of 67%. This has further fueled discontent among the associates. Notably, dissatisfaction with technology is particularly pronounced within prominent big law firms, such as Skadden, WilmerHale, Alston and Bird, Dechert, and Morrison and Forster. These firms, despite their significant resources, consistently face issues with their technological systems. In contrast, firms like Mofo and O'Melveny and Myers have received higher rankings for their tech competency, underlining the importance of prioritizing technological improvements within firms. This survey sheds light on the necessity for firms to address the technological capabilities they provide in order to meet the needs and expectations of their associates. It serves as a reminder that investing in and enhancing technology can greatly contribute to overall associate satisfaction and productivity. And that's a wrap. Subscribe, follow, and join us next time to learn what happened in legal tech this week. Stay informed, get ahead.